Hi, Ann. I hope so. Everybody fine. So, in this rational number series, we are learning now rational numbers between any two numbers. In the previous video, we learned five rational numbers between the two integers. Suppose instead of integers, they have given a rational number, that is a fractional number. Mean what is the procedure I have to follow? Suppose between 1 by 2 and 7 by 2. So between the two fractional number, and they are asking us to write any five number. For example, I am reducing because between the 1 by 2 and the 7 by 2, surely you will get the five numbers. So I'm changing the problem. Between 1 by 2 and the 3 by 2, if you write, I can find only 2 by 2. But they are asking us to write five rational number. So we are observing whether it is in a P by Q form. That is a first rule. Yes, it is a first rule. Sorry, it is satisfying the first rule, that is a P by Q. Second rule, whether the denominators are same or different. If the denominators are same, the problem is very simple. The denominators are different mean we have to find the LCM. So here denominators are same. Even though they are same, I couldn't find five rational numbers. So what I'm doing, what is the previous problem method? We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. It may be any number, but if I'm using a 10, the calculation will be easy. So I'm multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 10 by 10. So the answer will be 1 into 10 is 10, 2 into 10 is 20. Next one, 3 tens are 30, 2 tens are 20. So what are the numbers we got? 10 by 20 and 30 by 20. Now is it possible to write five numbers between these two? Yes, it's possible. So 1 minute, let me expand this. So we are going to write any five numbers between these two, 10 by 20 and then 30 by 20. Yes, can you help me to find? First number, whether should I write the 10 by 20? Yes, we should not write, because while writing the five rational number, the starting number and the ending number we should not consider. So after 10 by 20, the next number will be 11 by 20 and then 12 by 20, 13 by 20, 14 by 20, 15 by 20. Suppose still they are asking us to find a 10 more number, mean we can proceed further. So I have recalled here in this video how to find the rational numbers when it is in a P by Q form, and also the denominators same. The denominators are same mean we used to call them like fractions. Suppose you have a doubt. Ma'am, suppose the denominators are different. What is the procedure I have to follow? So let's see a third example for this pattern. 1 by 4 and just for example we are writing. Now the first rule, always it should be in a P by Q form. Check whether it is in a P by Q form. Yes, the first number also a P by Q, second number is also a P by Q form. Then second condition, check the denominator. When the denominators are same, we are in the correct path. When the denominators are different, we have to convert them into the equivalent rational number by using a LCM. So here the denominators are 4 and 5. Therefore, the LCM will be 5 fours are 20. Otherwise, you can use a rough column to find the LCM. Now, the first number we are converting into the denominator 20. Why, ma'am? Instead of multiplying 10 by 10, you are doing this. We have to do 10 by 10 after getting the same denominator only. So, here converting a denominator to the LCM, that is a 20. How many fours are 20? 5 fours are 20. So 1 5 is 5. This is the starting number. Now we are going to find the ending number. Yes, let's see the ending number. In this problem, the ending number is ending number is 2 by 5, but my LCM is 20. How many 5s are 20 mean? 4 5s are 20. So 2 4s are 8. Now observe carefully. This is a starting number and this is a ending number. So between 5 by 20 and 8 by 20, is it possible to write 5 numbers? After 5, we will get 6 by 20, 7 by 20 and then 8 by 20. Only 3 numbers, but I can write n number of numbers mean. What is the procedure we are following? The numerator and the denominator should be multiplied by a same common number. Usually, I multiply only the same number by 10 by 10. Suppose 100 numbers mean 100 by 100. 1000 mean we are multiplying by 1000 by 1000. Now, if I done only for the first number, that's not a fair. We have to do the same thing for the second number, 10 by 10. So, what is the answer? 5 into 10 and 20 into 10. The number is becoming 50 by 200. And then 8 into 10, 80. 20 into 10, 200. Okay. So, now we are going to check between these two numbers only we have to check. Between 50 by 200 and 80 by 200, I can write n number of rational number. But only for your better understanding, we are trying to write only the 5 numbers. So, the starting number is 80 by 200. Sorry, the starting number is 50 by 200 and the finishing number is 80 by 200. So, the first number is 51 by 200, 52 by 200, 54 by 200, 55 by 200. Whether I have written 5 numbers? Yes. It's not necessary you have to write only these numbers. Within this limit, you can write any numbers. I think so. Everybody understood how to find the number of rational numbers between any two numbers. If it is integers, just you are multiplying the numerator and the denominator into 10. Why, ma'am, 10? Sometimes you can multiply by 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, any number, but 10 is comfortable. Suppose it is not an integer, they have given a rational number, mean you just observe whether they are same, they are like fractions or not, whether they have a common denominator or not. Yes, they have a common denominator, mean simply we are multiplying by 10 by 10 and we are writing. Suppose they doesn't have a common denominator, mean we have to find a LCM, then convert into LCM and then we are finding. I hope so everybody understood this concept. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.